Good morning, Ultimate Maths stars. Trust you had a great night rest. We'll be looking at the second aspect of number basis, and today we'll be considering binary system. When you talk about binary system, it's actually a system of counting that uses two digits, 0 and 1. So the binary system is actually the base 2 system of counting. It contains only two digits, or it uses only two digits, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So today we'll be doing a lot of simplification as far as the binary system is concerned. So the first example here is find the value of a. Find the value of a. 1 base 2 raised to the power of 3, I beg your pardon. Then b, square root of 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 base 2, leaving your answer in base 2. So we'll take the first one, 1 base 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, to do this, because we are asked to evaluate this and then leave our answer in base 2. So we are going to do three things here. You first of all change this to base 10. Then when you change it to base 10, then you now raise it to the power of 3. That you simplify, because you can't simplify it straight like this. So take it to base 10 first. Then if it's in base 10, you can now raise it to the power of 3. Then whatever you get, you can now change it back to base 2, because we are asked to leave our answer in base 2. So let's take this to base 10. Remember the normal way of doing it. 11 base 2. To take it to base 2, base 10, you allocate power 0, 1. So this becomes 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is still 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 times 1 is 1, making 3 what? Base 10. So now, 1 base 2 raised to the power of 3 now becomes 3 base 10 raised to the power of 3. So you cube this. If it is square, you square. If it is raised to the power of 4, you raise it to the power of 4. So since it's 3 now, we'll raise it to the power of 3. 3 raised to the power of 3 should be 3 times 3. 3 raised to the power of 3 is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 gives us 27. So that is 27 base 10. So this 27 now, we can now take it now to what? To base 2, because we are asked to leave our answer in base 2. So you divide repeatedly by 2. We'll take 2 first. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 7 divided by 2 is what? 3. Remainder 1. We'll take 2 again. 13 divided by 2 gives us 6. Remainder 1. 2 again. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Remainder 0. We'll take 2 again. 3 divided by 2 is 1. Remainder 1. Then take 2 again. 1 divided by 2 is not possible. So 0. Remainder 1. So remember to draw your arrow, and then you pick your answer from the bottom. So when you pick from down upwards, we have 1 1 0 1 1 base 2. So 11 base 2 raised to the power of 3 is now equal to 1 1 0 1 1 base 2. So this is the first part of the example. So we'll be taking the B parts now. We'll be taking the B parts. The notes are already in the Google Classroom. So the B now is we're asked to find the square root of 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 base 2. Remember, we're asked to still leave our answer in base 2. So the first thing we'll do, just like this first example, you change it to base 10. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Remember, we allocate powers 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 base 2. So we are changing it to base 10. So this becomes 1 times this 1 here times the base raised to the power of 6 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of this 5, then plus 0, this 0 times 2 raised to the power of 4, then plus this 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3, plus this 0 now times 2 raised to the power of 2, then plus this 0 now times 2 raised to the power of 1. Then finally, plus this last 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0. So this is now equal to 1 times 2 raised to the power of 6 is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 in 6 places. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And 32 times 2 gives us 64. Then plus 0, that is this 0, times 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. Plus this 0 times 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. Then plus this 0 now times 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Plus this 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. Plus this 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. Finally, plus this 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this is now equal to 1 times 64 is 64. Plus 0 times 32 is 0. 0 times 16 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. And 0 times 1 gives us 0. So finally, if you add everything, 64 plus 0, 64 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 gives us 64 base 10. Remember, square root. So we'll take the square root now of 64. And what is the square root of 64? The square root of 64 is actually 8 base 10. So this could have been our answer, but remember the instruction, we are asked to change it back to base 2. So quickly, we'll take it to base 2, divide repeatedly by 2. We'll take 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 0. We'll take 2 again, 4 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 0. We'll take 2 again, 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. We'll take 2 again, 1 divided by 2 is 0, remainder 1. So you draw your arrow. So therefore, square root of 1,000,000 is now equal to, start from the bottom, 1,000 base 2. So thank you very much and stay blessed. An assignment will be posted in the Google Classroom. So just check it out now. Thank you very much and stay blessed.